Action House Leveling has completed a project for foundation and house leveling repairs in McAllen, Texas. The walls were cracked and the home was sinking. This project involved raising and leveling the home and stabilizing the house by installing concrete piers under the current foundation of the home in McAllen. When we installed our concrete footing, we created a 36 by 36 dig and a 2 feet deep hole in the center, under the foundation. 1 foot for the concrete plate and another foot so that we can place our jacks to lift the home in each of the problem areas. The hole in the middle, which is reinforced with rebar, goes down to 9 feet deep for this project. We do this so that the plate and the pier beam can withstand the home weight once it's lifted. Now let's talk about warranties. We gave this homeowner a 10-year warranty on labor and a lifetime warranty on the installed piers. So what does all this mean for you as a homeowner in McAllen? It means you can breathe easy knowing that you can contact Action House Leveling at any time. Foundation repair service isn't just a quick fix, it's a comprehensive solution, so you can have peace of mind.